In this video I'm going to show you how you can redeem a V Bucks code on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. So for this we will need to use either a PC or your phone and just Google search for redeem V Bucks code, and I'll explain how we can do this. So click on the first link that pops up here, V Bucks card, and it's gonna show you this: sign up, download, and we wanna click on sign in. So once we have selected sign in, we will choose Nintendo as a login method right here, and it's going to ask you to log in with your email and password. Now once we have logged in here, I'll just confirm my login on my email, so I'll just give me a second. Okay, just like that, I confirmed my login, and now we will click on get started. Here, since you're logged into your Epic account, please enter the code from the back of your V Bucks card below, then choose the device you play Fortnite on. So here you will just enter the code. So for example, just like that, we're gonna click on next, and then it's gonna ask you which device you play on, and we will choose Nintendo Switch, and this is going to redeem the account, or it's gonna redeem the code on our account, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.